Dropshipping is one of the most popular ways to make money nowadays, but in this video I will show you how you can use Shopify and make a lot of money but without having to do the dropshipping yourself. This works in all these different countries, and indeed it works worldwide, and of course this is 100% free to do. You can start from today. I will show you how you can make thousands of dollars using Shopify. Now, but before we start, let me remind you that if you like my content and want to see more content like this, go ahead and tap the like button down below, and I will really appreciate if you haven't already done so to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. So with that said, let's now jump straight into the video and let's get started with today's strategy. In today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to go to is Shopify.com. And Shopify.com, apart from being a platform where you can sell all type of products, as well they actually offer incentives if you refer people to the platform. So in order to do that, you have to come all the way to the end, and then you're gonna click on affiliate program. Then you will land into a page like this, and here you're gonna see that you're gonna be able to promote the Shopify partner program to thousands and thousands of affiliates. Just think that anybody that is looking to create a store online gonna want to use some type of platform where they can actually sell their products. So Shopify is a great place where you can get great amount of commissions. So the only thing you will need to do is you need to come to the website, you need to sign up with them, and then follow all the different steps of the application. So once that you click here, obviously you're gonna have to have a Shopify store. You can create a demo store for purposes and just show them that you actually got an audience. So then if you can actually show people that you have an audience, and then you're gonna be accepted into the partner program. So then the only thing you need to do is you need to come over here, then you will need to complete all your details, and then as you can see here, your team will review the application, and then within 15 days they will tell you. But a good way, the good thing about Shopify is like it keeps track of the cookies. So that means that their tracking cookies are gonna last for 30 days, meaning that if a visitor will click on the affiliate link posted on your website, then they will be created as a referral long as the visitor signs up for a 40-day free trial within 30 days. Then when the 40-day trial ends, the user becomes a paying customer and you will earn one-time commission. So as you can see, what is the commission structure? Well, you are eligible to receive commission for merchants that you refer to a Shopify plan through your affiliate link. There is no maximum number of merchants that you can refer, and here they will allow you to earn as much money as possible. So once that you are accepted to a program, that means that whoever you actually refer to the platform, you are going to get a commission for every referral, which is actually great. So then you can see here they've got different training packages. They've got the basic, but the basic, if someone is actually gonna use the platform, and run ads and stuff, and for their store, possibly the basics is too elemental. So they're gonna want to a different program that they actually, they go more functionalities, like for example they will go to the Shopify startup plan, which that means that then you could actually get much more money because you will be receiving a commission on the monthly basis. And the best thing about this is like there is no risk. Because they will have a 40-day free trial for them to actually use. So it's a great place, and how the payment works is like on the 15th of every month, as long as your balance is $25, they will actually send you money. So that means that you're gonna have a exact day during the month that you can be expecting to receive all the payouts. So this is actually very, very good news as well. So as I said, you just need to come to the website and you're gonna need to just add your details and then just wait for the application. So it will actually help if you go a following on other platforms. This could be like Instagram, if you have an Instagram account, it could be Facebook, or it could be like you could actually show them like a proof of your email list. So even if you have a TikTok account, that could be relevant as well. So different places that you could go to promote it is you could go to Facebook groups and people that are, for example, on Wix platforms. You could start contacting them and contacting people from the competition so they can sign up with your affiliate link. So this is actually great news on this way of how you can do it through Facebook, and as well you could do it through Quora. So if you come to Quora here, you can it gives you the option to be able to type different answers and then get like a response. So you could be like best e-commerce platform, and let's see what will come up. And then it will give you like different questions that people have asked, and here you're gonna be able to give an answer. And the good thing about this is when you give an answer, then all the members that have actually replied to that question as well, they will get a notification that you have answered. So that will actually increase your chances of getting tons of traffic. So it's a good way where you can actually do it and try to get a lot of referral traffic. And if you do it this way, you could be able to be very successful with it. So it's all about getting your traffic. So just think on which platform you're gonna get your traffic, and if you have a landing page, that will be even better, because then that means that you could actually capture people's email addresses in order to contact them later on. And as you know, remarketing is essential and is one of the best things that you can do as a marketer, to be able to have continued communication with your audience, where you can actually offer them different things, and they can actually take a massive action and you can get the benefit. So what you can do is you can interact with them in some way that you can encourage them to just go ahead with the Shopify plan, encourage them to take massive action, and then once that they do that, you will actually get paid. So that's what I wanted to say with you. It's a strategy that once that you are approved with the Shopify affiliate program, the only thing you just need to do is you need to get the traffic. As long as you are getting the traffic, you are gonna get paid. This is as simple as that. So it's a very good way that you can actually start getting like some extra money on the regular basis. Obviously you're gonna need to build your clientele or your list first, but once you build your list, you could just send a single email and just target thousands and thousands of people. So this is actually something very, very good that you could do, guys. So additionally, if you want to find out alternative ways of how you can make thousands of dollars per month, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description, because I will send you all the information to your email address so you can start making affiliate commissions from today. Yes, that's correct. Like a step by step, you have a training where it will teach you everything that you need to know to get started and to be successful with affiliate marketing. So with that said, guys, I hope that you take massive action. Just make sure that you follow all the steps on the application, that you put all the right details to make sure that you get approved. Once that you get approved, you're gonna be able to start making affiliate commissions. So it's all about taking massive action and then finding the source, finding the traffic source. So with that said, guys, I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you have a great week, and I will come very, very soon with the latest strategies on digital marketing, so you can be the first ones to find out about this and benefit from it. So I hope that you take care and that you are very, very successful. Take care now, guys.